This is the SW-33PLUS, a power and SW-R meter. There are two sockets on this meter. The socket below is used for connecting radio devices, and the socket on top is for antennas or dummy loads. Take the covers off and turn on the meter by holding down the power button for a few seconds. The default display on startup should have three sets of values: the SW-R, forward power, and reverse power. If you want to charge this meter, the power socket is on the top of the meter. You can also see an LED bulb next to it. When you're charging, a red light means it's still charging, and a green light means fully charged. Let's see how this meter works. Take out your radio device and connect it to the bottom socket of the meter. Sometimes there may be obstructions between the meter and the radio device. For this, you may use the adapters that are included in the package. To test the power of your radio device, connect the dummy load to the top socket of the meter. Hold down the PDD button for a second or so, and you can see the value appear on the meter. Testing both VHF and UHF follow the same steps. Let's move on to testing antennas. You may find antennas with incompatible connectors for the meter. Again, you may use one of the adapters included in the package. Connect the antenna to the meter and you can begin testing. Remember that you should hold the meter steadily while testing. It is also recommended to test with your radio device set to high power for more accurate results. Begin transmitting and you may read the values under the SW-R section. The closer to 1, the better the antenna performs. You can test how the antenna performs under different frequencies. This antenna reads 1.01 SW-R at 430 MHz, but showing 1.96 SW-R at 144 MHz, meaning that this antenna performs better around the UHF frequency. Thank you for watching.